Find the ratio of population of two states in a laser that produces a light of wavelength 628 nanometer at 27 degrees Celsius. Here the ratio of the population is given by Boltzmann law, that is N2 by N1 is equal to e raised to minus e2 E1 divided by kt. That is, the ratio of the population is given by N2 by N1 is equal to e raised to minus e2 minus E1 by kt, where N2 is the population in the excited state, N1 is the population in the ground state, E1 and E2 are the energies of the ground state and excited state, K is the Boltzmann constant and T is the temperature. Here the data given is T is equal to 27 degrees Celsius or 27 plus 273 Kelvin, that is 300 Kelvin. And lambda is given, lambda is 628 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter, 628 nanometer. We know that the absorption will take place when this energy E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu, or we can replace this equation by h nu. And this h nu can be written as hc by lambda, where nu is equal to frequency is equal to velocity by wavelength. Therefore, we have to find out this hc by lambda. That is, h is Planck's constant 6.634 into minus 34 joule second, and c is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and lambda is given. So this will give the value 6.634 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 628 into 10 raised to minus 9. Then K is the Boltzmann constant. Its value is K is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 joule per Kelvin. And T is the temperature given. So substituting these values, we get N2 by N1 is equal to exponential this minus 6.634 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 628 into 10 raised to minus 9 into K is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 into 300. hc by lambda divided by kt, or hc by lambda kt. This is the value hc by lambda kt. So this will give, on solving this equation, it gives a value of N2 by N1 is approximately, it will give 5.97 into 10 raised to minus 34 population. So this equation is important. N2 by N1 is equal to e raised to minus E2 by E2 minus E1 by kt, or e raised to minus h nu by kt. And the second problem is, light from a sodium vapor lamp, lambda is 5890 angstrom, forms an interference pattern on a screen 0.8 meter from a pair of slit. The bright fringes in the pattern are 0.35 centimeter apart. What is the slit separation? So here the data given is, the lambda is given as 5890 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, given in angstrom. 1 angstrom is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. And the interference pattern forms on a screen which is at a distance 0.8 from the slits. Slit and screen distance. The distance between the slit and the screen, it is capital D, it is 0.8 meter. And the bright fringes in the pattern are 0.35 apart. That is one bright fringe and the next bright fringe, it is 0.35 centimeter apart. Or the separation between the bright fringe means the width of the middle dark band, that is the bandwidth. beta is given as 0.35 centimeter. That is, it is 0.35 into minus 2 meter. Therefore, we can have the equation the bandwidth beta is equal to d lambda divided by d. The bandwidth beta is equal to d lambda by d. So here we have to find out the slit separation. D is the slit separation. D is the distance between the slit and the screen. Lambda is the wavelength. Beta is the bandwidth or fringe width. Therefore, D is equal to d lambda by beta. Or it will give d lambda is 0.8 into lambda 5890 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by beta is 0.35 into 10 raised to minus 2. And this will gives the value as approximately 0.134 millimeter. This is the value of the slit separation. And the next problem is a parallel beam of sodium light, lambda is 589 nanometer, is incident on a thin glass plate. N is equal to 1 such that the angle of refraction into the plate is 60 degree. Calculate the thickness of the plate which will make it appear dark by reflection. So we have a relation connecting the thickness and the lambda and the refractive index, etc. That is the condition for here, it is dark. So the condition for the dark band in thin film is 2 mu t cos r is equal to n lambda. Here n is given, n is equal to 1 and lambda is given 589 nanometer into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. And the angle r is given as 60 degree. Calculate the t. Here the lambda is given, n is given, r is given, t is given, but mu is not given. So this is a university question. So you can put the value of mu as mu for a glass. You can put it as 1.5 or 1.6. Okay, so you can put it as 1.5 or 1.6 because in this data the value of mu is not given. So for the glass you can put it as 1.5 or 1.6, whatever be the value. So the final equation will be, that is T is equal to n lambda divided by 2 mu cos r. Substituting this value, n1 into lambda 589 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 2 into 1.5 into cos 60. It will give us a final value as 392.7 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. This is the value.